जल्द सिनेमा घरों में एक ऐसी लड़की की कहानी आने वाली है जो कि न सिर्फ बहादुर है बल्कि अपने सपनों को भी पूरा करना चाहती है। जी हाँ, ये कहानी है तन्वी की, जो एक ऑटिस्टिक चाइल्ड है, लेकिन फिर भी उसके सपने छोटे नहीं हैं, बल्कि वो अपनी उड़ान को काफी ऊंची तरीके से भरना चाहती है। ऐसे में किस तरीके से वो अपने सफर को पूरा करेगी, कितनी सारी मुश्किलों का सामना करेगी और कितनी सारी अड़चनें इसकी जिंदगी में आएंगी, ये देखना होगा जब रिलीज होगी सिनेमा घरों में ये फिल्म तन्वी द ग्रेट। आपको बता दें कि इस फिल्म को डायरेक्ट किया है अनुपम खेर ने और वो खुद इस फिल्म में भी तन्वी के दादाजी का किरदार निभा रहे हैं। तन्वी का किरदार निभा रही हैं शुभांगी दत्त। इसके अलावा जैकी श्रॉफ, साथ ही साथ तन्वी के पापा का किरदार निभाएंगे करण टैकर और ये कहानी होगी बेहद ही रोमांचक। ऐसे में मुंबई में आज हुआ इसका ट्रेलर लॉन्च, जहां पर नजर आए सभी कलाकार। तो आइए इन कलाकारों से ही जानते हैं कि आखिर इस दिलचस्प कहानी के पीछे क्या कुछ इनकी कहानियां रही हैं।
I was saying to somebody outside, I think Karan, that I'm from theatre, I'm from stage, and before every performance, my heart is beating so hard, my mouth is getting dry, and that's what I'm feeling right now. And I'm also overwhelmed. I'm moved by the love that I've got in the last so many years. But Tanvi the Great is very special. Tanvi the Great is Tanvi is my niece, and she's great, and that's how I got the idea of making this film. My writers Abhishek and Ankur, we sat together. Baman was our help. I'm sorry that Baman is not here, Ian Glenn is not here, and Arvind is not here, and Nasser Saab, they're all abroad. So this journey started about 3.5 years back, and Andy, I'm so happy to see you, our colorist. So many people. Anil ji, thank you so much. बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा। भावना, थैंक यू। अब भावना और कोमल सुपरस्टार थे, सबसे एंड में आए, आपके लिए वेट कर रहे थे। अच्छा, मुझे नहीं पता था, बट थैंक यू, यू आर हियर, योर फ्रेंड्स, यू बीन विद अस। I'm a director of the film. Yes. It took me 23 years to make a film, because 23 years back when I made Om Jai Jagdish, it was not my story. And I was very excited that Vashu ji had given me a film to direct, and now from an actor I've become a director. And then I thought one day I will make a film if it is from my heart. So 4 years back, I was in Gurgaon attending my brother Raju's daughter's Vrinda's wedding, and everybody was dancing, having fun. And my 13-year-old niece at that time, now she's 17, Tanvi, who is autistic, she was standing on a corner and looking at the mountains. So I asked her, Tanvi, what are you looking at? She said, I'm looking at my world. And that statement shook me a little, because she could not describe what her world is, and I could not understand what her world is. And that gave the seed to the film. And I wanted to do it in a musical manner. I wanted it to be larger than life. I wanted to have it epic quality. And I was very fortunate that I'm a great admirer of Kiravani sir, M.M. Karim sir. And I called him up because I wanted only him. In this film, I have only wanted people, and I've always and only got them. So and he was traveling to some place, and he said, okay, sunaiye, sunaiye. So I think I must have mentioned about 7 or 8 minutes, and he said, I'm doing the film. And just 2 days back, he had got an Oscar. We are so fortunate. We have 2 Oscar winners here. That's in itself is the richness. Then when I recorded the songs, Jackie once came home, and I played the songs with him, and he said, wow, and both of us had moved togetherness, and Jackie became part of the film, and then Baman, and then of course Arvind Swamy, and I wanted Ian Glenn to play a role, and Karan I requested, I said, I want you. So I must say that all my actors, my all major actors, because there was an incident that happened because my financier pulled out of the project 1 month before the film was to go on floor. And they said, जब पैसे होंगे दे देना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? And that really is so good for a director, producer who is just trying to sort of tell a story which is very personal to me. Yes. Because this project is not that I wanted to make a film. And then, of course, Mr. Thadani came and saw the film. And he called me at 1:30 in the night. He said few things which I don't. He is now, after he's said that he's taking the film, now he's very reserved. Because he's like that principal जो student को बोलता है ऐसे ऐसे करना है, यहाँ से इधर करना है, यहाँ से इधर करना है, which is very thankful because thanks to him the film is looking the way it is. Yes. And then of course we now we have Excel Entertainment, and I'm so thrilled that Farhan Akhtar and Ritesh Sidwani are part of it. And then Mr. Rasool Pokoti means the magician of sound. The difficult task was to cast Tanvi. And anyway, we have revealed that. For that, Kausar Munir has written some unbelievable songs. And one thing I must say that when we were having the New York premiere, so you asked me outside, why did you start from abroad?
Yeah. Why not in India?
So I feel it's a film from India for the world. It's a universal subject, and autism. And I didn't want to show autism as a disability. I wanted to show autism as superpower. And that's what comes across. And my whole team of assistants, my music का बारे में बता दिया मैंने. There are two girls who are doing the debut for the first time. They have sung playback singing. Kruti is here, the choreographer, the legendary. She's young legend, not legendary. अभी बुलाने में time है, but she always makes me feel that she's legendary. And Bright के हमारे दोस्त हैं. Thank you so much, sir. आपके बगैर तो पोस्टर ही नहीं लगते हैं. ये वाला हमने जैसे तैसे लगवा दिया. अब आप लगाएंगे तो और भी अच्छा होगा. Yeah. Kiravani sir, thank you very much for coming under the circumstances that you have come here. I really am deeply moved by you. Was supposed to come yesterday morning because of some issue of your family. Father is not well, sir, and you still came. That shows your commitment to work and your friendship with me. I think Kiravani sir's father is very unwell, but he came. So I would like to invite the musical team. ये हमारे जो गाने हैं, they are going to sing live. I thought it will be because trailer में music गाने नहीं हैं. And thank you, Z, for taking our music. And so I wanted two new voices for Tanvi's. I said we must have something believable in terms of, because वरना लगता गाना सुनते आपको लगता है ये उसने गाया, which is brilliant, which is fantastic. But I thought let's sort of use. So sir ने जब हम rehearsal कर रहे थे, by the way, we did the music of the film 1 year before we started shooting. I knew this is how I want, and he made me listen to 2 tracks by 2 young ladies, and he said, "अब किससे गवाना है?" मैंने कहा इन्हीं से गवाना है. He said that I will come, and certainly thank you for your support. Thank you for Excel Entertainment's amazing support. आप भी आ जाओ अनिल, ताकि we. Come on. Anil hates to come on stage, but these are the. You see, to make a film like this is very difficult. But then when you get people like Anil and Ritesh and Farhan and Excel Entertainment, at least you know that after seeing the film, they have decided to take it to the world. Thank you for doing that.
Thank you, actually. We're a little late to this party, but it's an amazing film. And I think in sometimes, when they say that a film comes and chooses you, I think this is exactly that kind of a film. So I'm really glad. So in whatever way we can support it and contribute, but it's a really an amazing film. So I'm glad you chose us to be a part of it. Thank you so much. Really. And I mean, all of you guys have done a great job. Really.
Such talent here in this film. We are really honored to be a part of it.
2 hours before the premiere of New York was to start, Tiffany called up. He says, Bob is coming with me. Bob, I know that Robert is called Bob. So I said, Mr. De Niro is coming himself. I said, oh God, sab chaos tha. And then he said he's coming only for 15 minutes. It was very strange to sit next to him, me, Mr. De Niro, his wife, she. तो मैं देख रहा था लोग मुझे देख रहे हैं ना कि मैं इनके साथ बैठा हूँ वो फैन मोमेंट जाता नहीं है ना कभी कभी बिकॉज मैंने ड्रामा स्कूल में उनके ऊपर उनकी फिल्मों पे पहली 2 फिल्मों पे मैंने वो किया है रिसर्च किया है मेन स्ट्रीट एंड टैक्सी ड्राइवर so he kept looking at me he said nice your hair is very good big etc and then he loved the music he said and he stayed back till the interval which is a big thing for me but also when we went to Houston and other places I think because the character is not treated like there is something wrong with her, she's treated really, because I genuinely believe people like Adi, my niece Tanvi, they are superpowers. Their ability to do certain things differently. Pallavi plays an autism expert in the film and also her mother. The film is about goodness. I genuinely had not planned Adi to come on stage. But I just suddenly thought of Sujata and I thought, genuinely, I had not thought. Karan told me that was a good idea. I said, no, I had not because you never know what he will say. And actually, he did not, you never know what he will say. So, but I think it gave you a glimpse of Tanvi's world. Today, unfortunately, goodness is only in people who do not understand manipulation. And that's what we need. I think we live in a world where we are constantly manipulating ourselves, other people. I think this film, with the help of Anil and Excel Entertainment and with everybody else. So my brief to my amazing HODs was, let's be good in this during the shooting of this film. And that's what we managed to do. And I'm so thankful to you, General Saab. जैसी trailer खत्म हुआ, आपने मेरे कान में बोला, fantastic. That really means a lot to me. You had an army, you're Lieutenant General in, these days posted in Ambala, and we know each other, but...
वो ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ, आप सबको बहुत सादर प्रणाम और अनुपम जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आपने मुझे इस फिल्म में कास्ट किया पहली बार जब मुझे उन्होंने बुलाया और गाना सुनाया तो शायद वहाँ पे आंसुओं की नदियाँ बह रही थी दोनों की और हम लोग ज़्यादा रोते मैं तो रोता हूँ मगर तकिए पे रोता हूँ किसी के सामने रोता नहीं वैसे मगर आपके सामने ज़रूर आंसू निकल गए MM साहब आपने बहुत खूबसूरत म्यूज़िक दिया It's a pleasure, it's an honor to be on this stage with such fantastic cast and crew and Russell, there you are सारे ऑस्कर के सामने सब बाजू में बैठ के एक फ़ोटो भी लिया दोनों के बीच में ये नहीं कि मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ मगर मेरा पौधा और आप दोनों का ऑस्कर बहुत भारी है बाकी बोलने का कुछ नहीं अनुपम जी ने बहुत प्यार से संभाला और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला भाई कि एक्टिंग वैक्टिंग तो मैं कोई स्कूल से आया नहीं हूँ मगर इनके साथ रहकर कई ऐसे छोटी छोटी बातें ऐसे न्यूएंसेस जो इन्होंने बताया बिड़ू मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था कि मेरे को झाड़ के बारे में पूछेंगे तो मैं बता दूंगा मगर एक्टिंग के बारे में अगर सीखना है तो अनुपम जी से सीखे वो बहुत खूबसूरत एक्टर भी है डायरेक्टर भी है और he's a man who's absolutely made a brilliant film. It's soul cleansing, total soul cleansing, and I'm happy to be here. Thank you, Anupam ji.
Because I get superstitious that I should not raise your expectations, but I think everybody has given a part of their heart to this film. That is what is the most important thing. Craft तो दिया ही है, craft में तो इनसे बड़ा कोई है ही नहीं. But my writers, both Abhishek and Ankur, have done such unbelievable work with me on this film. And I'm missing my DOP, who is a Japanese lady, Kiko Nakahara. She's not here. She called me from Japan and she said, I'm missing you so much. Please give my love to everybody. Because with the subject like that, it was very important to have the crew like that who will protect Tanvi from in the film.
Yes, it's more than a privilege, I think. It is, I keep telling Sir and everybody that I think this is my second birth. So it's a very big chance and I'm still processing everything, every day that's happening in my life regarding the movie, I'm still processing. It's more than a dream. It is now a reality, but it's a very big privilege. And I thank God, I thank my family, and I thank Anupam sir. Thank you so much for believing in me and for actor prepares. Yes, thank you. And Herman sir also is here. No.
You know, no, why I went abroad and sort of brought the recognition to the film, because when you make a film something like this and with the help of people like Anil or मैं जब suddenly Anil का point of view was very valid. I had made a longer film. That's why we've not decided on the OTT platform as yet. We want the audience to come on Flair, and that's why I think people over here will spread the word and audience will come in. It's important, and बाहर इसीलिए करा कि ताकि वहाँ से तारीफ मिलती है तो यहाँ के लोग बड़े impress होते हैं कि अरे इनको अच्छी लगी है. But at the end of it, a film, people make choices these days to watch a film, and for a film like this, these stalwarts over here, they've done amazing work. The music is so soul-searching, so soul-stirring. It's a musical. There are 9 songs in the film, and they have given their life to this film. I'm very fortunate, and hopefully the audience will come and make it their film, because it's a film about not necessarily autism. It's a film about hope. It's a film about goodness. It's a film about love. And unfortunately, or fortunately, or strangely, we learn it from an autistic person.
I know how much this means to Anupam sir and to all of us as a team. Well, it's definitely nerve-wracking. You know, I feel like I've been working for the last 16 years, but every time you have a release of any kind, it puts you really, really anxious. While sir, मैं theatre से नहीं हूँ, but हाथ पाँव मेरे भी बड़े ठंडे हो जाते हैं. मैं सर को ये पकड़ के कह रहा हूँ, सर आपके भी हाथ ठंडे हैं. पर बड़ा अच्छा लगता है ये मैं एक्चुअली जब मैं नीचे बैठा था और मैं एमएम साहब को परफॉर्म करते हुए देख रहा था और मैंने फिर पोस्टर देखा ना, आई सॉ द लाइन ऑफ पीपल दैट आई वाज सिटिंग विथ. और वाकई मैं अपने करियर में अपने आप को बड़ा शुक्रगुजार समझता हूँ कि मुझे ऐसा एक मौका मिला जहाँ मैं एक पोस्टर शेयर कर सकता हूँ अनुपम खेर जी के साथ, बमन ईरानी के साथ, नासिर साहब के साथ, विद जैकी दादा, एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू नो अ फिल्म दैट हैज़ म्यूजिक ऑफ एमएम सर. So it doesn't feel that I must have done something right. I just really feel very privileged for that respect and that honor, sir. And I remember when sir called me about a year and a half ago, and he narrated the concept to me. और मेरे को पहले दिन ही सर ने म्यूजिक सुनाया था. I was really sold, and I told him, मैं सर मैं आपके साथ बस काम करना चाहता हूँ. बाकी क्या होगा हम we'll figure that through the course of it. And today I feel very, very happy and very moved, quite frankly, when I saw the trailer myself. So thank you, sir. A huge round of applause, guys, for Anupam Kher, because we all know how much love he's put in this. And truly, he means it when he says that this film is made with all heart and all love, because that's how he is as a man himself. So thank you, sir. Thank you.
So because I wanted autism to be represented as a superpower, which my niece is, which Adi is, they're superpowers. I think we look at them oddly because we think that we are perfect, but they look at us oddly कि कैसे अजीब व गरीब लोग हैं. तो जब मैंने पहले अभिषेक को बताया था इसके बारे में, ऊंचाई के राइटर थे मेरे साथ, तो मैंने इनको सुनाया. फिर अंकुर के साथ मैंने कागज़ 2 में काम किया था. We wanted to get into a situation where this autistic girl comes from an army family and discover that father did not die as a hero and decides to join army, which Indian army does not take autistic people. So it's already a difficult job. And then what happens? So I think we've had work for 1 year. आज ही अभिषेक ने मैसेज भेजा कि आज से 1.5-2 साल पहले हम पहली बार बैठे थे गोवा में. So गोवा, दिल्ली, हम सब काफ़ी करते. But we had a picnic. We had a blast working in this film. Joy working in this film. Everything. We've shot in Lansdowne, which is an actual cantonment area. We were there for 55 years. 55 months. No, what am I saying? 55 days. शांत हो जा बेटा, शांत हो जा. ट्रेलर की तारीफ हो रही है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तेरा दिमाग खराब हो जाए. चुप कर. 55 days. Shamek, I'm so happy. And Raj has sung one of my most favorite songs also in the film. It's wonderful. Thank you so much, Raj. So I think it's our job to do it. But when you do it with, let's have fun. Let's enjoy. We did not craft the script. We just poured in whatever we had. And रोज शाम को Jaggu, and we used to play dumb charades every evening. We used to eat together. Nobody will go to their room. We lived like a family for those 55 days. And I think sometimes Ingmar Bergman, the Swedish director, bolte the, sometimes the love in the unit shows on the screen. And I think that's what is there. Thank you.
So every time, like since I'm like growing up, I used to come sit right there, and always whenever, because I used to love watching movies. I still love watching movies, but I used to just, my first instinct, my first thought used to always be, "Main kab aaungi? When will I see?" And even my family, my uncle is here, my brother, my aunt, and you know, I used to always tell them ki main kab aaungi? When will like I see myself? And they are like, "Hamari bhi yahi dua hai beta. Hame bhi tujhe screen pe hi dekhna hai." So this is just, it's very overwhelming. The experience with everybody, they were all like family, you know. Initially, I used to feel, because they are such big stars, you know, and I've always seen their acting and I look up to them, you know, Jackie sir, Baman sir, Pallavi ma'am, Anupam sir, so many people, and just like looking up to them, initially, every scene, my first scenes with them, I used to get a little intimidated. And more than that, starstruck, like awestruck, because they were so good. And I was like, how am I supposed to? I used to tell sir, "Sir, main kaise karu?" And then just believe in yourself, just focus. And then he used to motivate me by saying, "What is the name of the movie?" I used to say, "Tanvi the Great." "Who's playing Tanvi?" I said, "Me." Like, then that's it, go. Kill it. And I think, yeah, so I think that really worked. So I really thank my stars and these stars. So, yeah, that's all.
जहाँ पे भी हर शॉट दिया उसके अंदर सोल स्टरिंग ही था बड़ू, पूरा अंदर का तार हिल रहा था, गिटार का तार होता है ना वैसा। बहुत खूबसूरत मौका मिला कि अनुपम जी के साथ काम करने का। मेरा दोस्त बहुत पुराना चावल है, but we've been there together since I remember. I like his family, I love his family. The family loves me more than he does me. Papa loved me hell of a lot, Mama loves me hell of a lot. So for me, तो घर में ही था मैं, मेरे को कोई टेंशन था नहीं, संभालने वाला ये था, मेरे को तो करना ही था, मगर it stirred me, man. It really moved me a lot. Yeah.
Thank you, sir, thank you.
While, yes, you know, I do play Captain Pratap Rana, Samar Pratap Rana here, and he is also in uniform from the other things that I've done. But for me, I'll be very honest, I feel the job of the character is very by the way. For me, it's always trying to find the human inside that uniform. And that's what I've done with this. As far as playing a biopic after this is concerned, well, you never know. As and when that time comes, I think, you know, I'd like to talk about that. Today is for Tanvi the Great, and I couldn't be happier to be a part of such a sensitively told narrative.
उम्मीद करते हैं कि भाई जिस तरीके से इस फिल्म की कहानी अलग है, इस फिल्म में काफी सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो सीखने लायक है। दर्शकों को पसंद आती है या नहीं। मुंबई से ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट।